Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a bot to your Telegram group. Specifically, I wanted to add the Uniswap price bot to my group, but I just wasn't really finding a lot of good information on it when I looked around on the internet. And people wanted you to give API access and all this stuff. So basically what we are doing is we are going for non-bots. As always, make sure you know what a bot is or have some background on it before you add it to your group. I do know that this bot is used in some other groups, and so I feel pretty safe adding it to my group. So the first thing you want to do is find your bot. So I know in this case Uniswap price bot. Okay, I know this one that has the icon, so I go ahead and activate it. The bot will provide aggregate prices and command to add a token. So I hit start and then it gives me some information. Now the question is, how do I get that bot over to my group? Well, it's actually pretty easy. You simply go in the price bot where you started it, and then you are going to click on the three dots and you are going to hit add to group. So I'm going to add this bot to my group and I just add the Uniswap price bot. Now let's see if I can pull the price on the base token, see what happens, and we are in business. So I successfully added a non-bot to my group. And like I said, as always, make sure you know what the bot, or just know that it's been used in other groups or anything that is legit and it's not stealing information and such, because there are some bots that are scams. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.